Hey guys, today we're going to make pastry puffs with fresh fruit. Alright, first things first, we open up the pastry puff. Let's open it up. If it's not flat, roll it. Take a knife and cut into 4 squares. Hey-ya! And now we have 4 squares. Ta-da! Alright, now that it's done, we're going to make something cool with these pastries, but first, let's make the egg wash. For the egg wash, we're going to need to beat an egg with water. The egg wash makes your bread get a nice brown color. And now we make our pastry. You need to put the egg wash on the side and then fold it in. And you can make it in any shape you want. I'm choosing to make it squarish. I got my shape, now I'm going to put egg wash on it. Now that they're done, we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're going to make the cream cheese filling. Let's start with cream cheese. A teaspoon of vanilla. Powdered sugar. Heavy cream. These came out looking great. Now we're going to wait for them to cool. Now we're going to put the cream cheese filling. You're going to start by putting cream cheese in the center of the pastry puff. We're going to keep doing it until all of them have cream cheese. We got our cream cheese filling. Now we're going to put the fresh berries. How? You're going to start putting it on top. Make it all nice. So you could use any berry as you want, but we chose raspberry, blueberries, and blackberries. What kind of fruit will you choose? This is our last one and it looks delicious. These look good, but we're going to make them even better with the secret ingredient. We're going to sprinkle on some powdered sugar. Here they are. Like and subscribe and watch the next video.